Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the DCOM got error code 1084 attempting to start the service in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So DCOM stands for Distributed Component Object Model, which is an integral part of Windows that allows software components to communicate with each other across the network. DCOM got error 1084 is shown in Event Viewer when your system is trying to start a certain service that goes down during a startup. Common causes of the DCOM got error 1084 as service it being disabled or corrupted, conflicts with recent Windows updates, or third-party software. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable relevant services. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services and services local, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung DCOM server process launcher, alright? So scroll down lang tayo and then i-locate lang natin dito yung DCOM server process launcher. So once na-locate mo na siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-select and double-click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties at dito lang sa general. And then dito lang sa startup type, dapat naka-automatic ito. And next step ay click mo lang dito yung okay. So click mo lang yan. Alright, and the next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung RPC Endpoint Mapper. Okay, so scroll down. And then hanapin mo lang dito yung RPC Endpoint Mapper. Okay, so scroll down ka lang and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung RPC Endpoint Mapper. So i-select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties, so dapat naka-automatic siya dito sa startup type. And then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted system files. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all, small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan, Ctrl+C, and then next step ay i-paste mo lang dito, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And deploy image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restore. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix DCOM got error 1084 attempting to start the service in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.